Hey everyone, there is one of the lawsuit filed by the Elon Musk on the Sam Altman, the CEO of the OpenAI. So what happened actually? So this is going to be very interesting video. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's go. Okay. So this was a very interesting thing happened between the Elon Musk and the Sam Altman. So I'm just going to give you an overview that the OpenAI company was actually founded by the Elon Musk. OpenAI was actually founded by the Elon Musk and two of the founders. So but Elon Musk quit the OpenAI just before the OpenAI growth. So it was a huge thing, and then you'll understand that why this lawsuit exists even. So let's understand about this lawsuit, that what happened in this lawsuit. So it is going to be $1 billion legal showdown. So Elon Musk has actually filed a suit against the OpenAI, and then they have also added the Microsoft in this list. Okay, so what is the key allegations? So key allegation is that OpenAI. So you can see by the name of the name that OpenAI is there open. So it was actually made for the non-profit, but eventually it became for the profit. Okay, when the founders sees that okay, there is a whole lot of profit in getting money from the users, so they just made it for the non-profit. Okay. Uh, and there are two. The first allegation is this, and second allegation is that Microsoft has invested a lot of billions of the dollars, and they have a huge stake in the OpenAI. So that Microsoft is actually influencing the OpenAI's profit and non-profit thing. So that is the two major allegations. Now, what is the objective? Objective of the lawsuit is to restore the OpenAI founding mission of the benefiting humanity. So, Elon Musk is saying that no, you just make it for the non-profit. It will not happen that okay, you have made the profit company for the non-profit, but then you are changing to the profit. So it doesn't make sense. Okay, so that is a good point by the Elon Musk, but we'll see. And what is the core allegation? That yeah, it was founded as the non-profit, but for the ethical AI development. Okay, so yeah, OpenAI was actually founded for the ethical AI development, but uh, they actually get deviated by making a lot of money. Um, that is the claim or blame on the OpenAI, and they have also choose secrecy over the transparency as ChatGPT 4. Internal workings are no longer open source. Okay, and third thing is that Microsoft is actually um, having influence on the OpenAI governance and direction. So those three things are there. So let's see. We have seen that why Microsoft is now the defendant now as well, because they have invested 13 billion investment in the OpenAI, and yeah, if you know the OpenAI drama, then Sam, yeah, I will be making a video on it as well. If you want, then please write in the comments. I'll be telling you the whole story that what happened with the OpenAI Sam Altman, and it was really interesting. Yeah. So what happened that Microsoft has reinstated the Sam Altman and reconstructed the board. So for the OpenAI, what happened that the board of directors had fired the Sam Altman, and it was a huge news in the industry. But then Microsoft and all the employees have said that okay, no, please take the Sam Altman to the company and all. And then Sam Altman again came to the company, and they actually amended the board members that who actually removed the Sam Altman. They changes the board. So now Sam Altman changes the board even. Uh, So that was the thing, and let's see further. So what is now the OpenAI response on these allegations? So OpenAI actually denies that okay, we were OpenAI, but there was no agreement. There was no founding agreement. Okay, so there was no agreement that we are going to be only for the non-profit. So that's why and like Elon Musk was one of the initial founders, and he actually supported for profit model. But when Elon Musk is get out of the OpenAI, so now this thing is actually making him to feel the FOMO that okay, I am not getting the profit, and OpenAI is now a big company. So that is one of the allegations by the OpenAI, and counterclaim is that Musk is attempting to take control of OpenAI for the personal interest. Okay, and so what is the transparency debate that they haven't made the ChatGPT 4.0 model public because there are a lot of misuse of the advanced AI. So that is one of the takeaway. Uh, one of the so let's see that what is takeaway. Takeaway is that paints must claim as a self-serving and baseless. Yeah, so OpenAI said this thing that it is baseless and it is just Elon Musk is just doing his PR marketing and just like he have a lot of money to and he is not going to lose anything. If he'll win, he'll have a lot of things like lot of money. But if he will lose, he will be having the marketing. So yeah, that is the thing, guys. And now, at the end, what is the future of OpenAI and AI ethics? So, this case is going to be a very critical case. It is going to be decision for many of the whole industry of AI, that how things are going to work. Like lawsuit raises the critical question about the ethical AI and for profit AI. So like OpenAI is in the forefront of the AI development now, and they are doing the the newest, or they are actually inventing the AI. So they are in the forefront. So it is very important that they should be more ethical or more profit driven. And now, hashtag my opinion, I think they are more profit driven till now, because they don't have so much of the security on their models. Yeah, instead of that, Claude Anthropic company has a lot of security. Um, being an AI development company, Anthropic is also the AI safety company. So that is interesting thing. And this is going to actually redefine that AI governance, that how AI is going to be regulated for the transparency and all these things. And it is going to be benchmark for all the things. And the battle is not about the OpenAI. It is going to be the future of the artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is all happening in US. For the India, there is no such thing. We are still at the progress of developing the AI. So yeah, I hope that we'll be having a better AI and have some safety measures as well in India as well. Yeah. So what do you think that why Elon Musk is actually suing OpenAI, and is it really ethical, or it is right to sue OpenAI so that it actually converted from the non-profit to profit? What do you think? Write in the comments, and see you in the next video.